There's no denying that the C8 Corvette era has been a massive success. From the affordable base model to the exotic hunting Z06 and the upcoming ZR1 and ZR1X, the new generation Corvettes are faster, sharper, and more refined than ever before. But for some enthusiasts, modern performance can't replace vintage soul. And that's exactly where this jaw-dropping 1967 Corvette Restomod comes in. Originally born as a C2 Stingray coupe, this custom-built beauty is proof that you don't need 800 horsepower or Nurburgring lap times to fall in love. It combines the legendary lines of a 60s Vette with the performance and comfort of a modern sports car. And for many, that's a blend that hits harder than even the mighty ZR1X. Let's face it, classic Corvettes are absolutely iconic, especially the 1963 to 1967 C2 generation. Known for their sculpted fenders, hidden headlights, and sheer presence, these cars are rolling art. But under that beauty lies 60-year-old technology. Sloppy steering, outdated brakes, and old-school handling can make them feel more like museum pieces than driver's cars. But this Restomod fixes that, and then some. Built on a 1967 Corvette platform, this custom Stingray has been transformed from bumper to bumper. The body has received subtle but muscular upgrades, including widened front and rear fenders, a smoothed-out finish with deleted bumpers, and a functional Stinger hood scoop, a nod to the original 427 big block Vettes of the same year. The overall look? Aggressive, clean, and ready to make supercars nervous at red lights. Under the hood lies a 432 cubic inch V8, a modern take on old-school power. It features forged internals, aluminum heads, and electronic fuel injection, delivering both brute force and reliable performance. Mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, this car offers the kind of mechanical connection modern automatics can't replicate. But it's not just about going fast in a straight line. This Vette is equipped with Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, a fast ratio power steering setup, and a Global West suspension kit complete with adjustable shocks. That means this classic doesn't just look like it belongs on a racetrack, it actually drives like it does. Inside, the story continues. The cabin blends retro style with modern comfort. Quilted leather sports seats offer far better support than the originals, while a vintage air climate control system keeps the driver cool even when the V8 under the hood is running hot. It's the kind of cabin where you could spend hours, whether you're carving canyon roads or cruising on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Sure, on paper, this car won't outrun a C8 Z06 or ZR1X around a track, but that's not the point. This Corvette isn't about specs or lap times. It's about emotion, craftsmanship, and character. It's a love letter to American muscle, carefully rewritten with modern ink. And for many Corvette purists, especially those not married to factory originality, this Restomod might just be the ultimate Vette. It brings the best of both worlds, timeless design paired with 21st century tech and performance. It's a car that turns more heads than a supercar, yet still delivers a raw analog driving experience that no modern platform can replicate. So, would we take this over a ZR1X? It's a tough call, but for those who want soul over stats, this 1967 Corvette Restomod makes a compelling and beautiful argument.